My daddy is going to make a mask to prevent the coronavirus. Over to you.
Thank you. Now, I'm going to show you how to do a homemade virus mask, okay, to prevent against coronavirus using simple homemade tools like a kitchen towel, ordinary office stapler, and some loom bands, or called rubber bands. All right, it's very simple. And the reason why this is very important is because all over the world today, even in the supermarkets, you would find no more masks being made. Germany, that produces this mask, have decided no more to export masks to other countries except to Germany. So they don't export anymore. So it's going to be scarce very soon. So if this virus eventually proliferates, there is going to be scarcity of masks. But don't be afraid. This is what you can do. Very simple. Take a simple kitchen towel and then split it, fold it, and then all you need to do is just bend it as if you're making the regular fan that children plays with. This way, one, and then backwards, two, and then backwards, three, and then flip it again, and then flip it again, and then flip it again,
until it goes to the end.
And then flip it again until it goes to the end, and then that's the end of the piece. So once that is done, all you need to do, you take one of your loom bands. We would need just 2 loom bands for this experiment. One loom band, place it at one end of the tissue, and then with a stapler, you just staple it together, all together. And that's it. And then you take the other loom band at the other end of the tissue, and again with your stapler, you staple them together. And that is done. So once that is done, your mask is ready, and this is how it works. And I am completely protected from coronavirus. So
Bravo!